Hi, I'm Amanda Howard, owner and creative director here at LaBelle V Fitness and Dance. I am also a certified personal fitness trainer and health specialist focused on injury prevention and functional nutrition training techniques, as well as functional fitness techniques. I focus a lot of my time on prenatal and postnatal care, as well as athletic conditioning and dance-related health and fitness. I have an extensive dance background. I've been dancing since I was about 4 years old. I opened a dance studio when I was 19, and through that kind of realized that I really wanted to focus more on injury prevention and less on teaching dance and more on focusing on helping dancers achieve their greatest potential in other avenues. Not only did I open a dance studio, but I also wrote a book called A Dancer's Diary. I recently published this book, and I'm actually going through a second edition, and I'm actually going through another book to go with it, which will be a dancer's cookbook. I'm actually very excited about this project. But basically, A Dancer's Diary is a comprehensive guide for dancers, their parents, dance teachers, on everything relating to dance health and dance fitness and injury prevention ultimately. I am currently working on my functional blood chemistry analysis certification. The certification is going to help my clients exponentially, as it will allow me to use basic functional medicine techniques to be able to read and order blood panels for my clients so that they can know exactly what they need to deal with. As I'm a nutritional trainer, I'm able to focus in on the issues that they're dealing with, and the certification is going to be a huge help in that area. Currently, I am working on building LaBelle V Fitness here in Vero Beach, Florida. I am very excited for all the opportunities that have opened up for me here as a business. It's really awesome. I've partnered with the amazing owner of Nicole Coates School of Dance, where I teach her competition students injury prevention and flexibility classes, and we are making huge strides. It's really amazing to see what these kids are capable of and what they have accomplished already. It's really incredible. So I'm excited to be sharing more information about my business, about myself with you guys, help you get to know me a little bit more and a little bit more about LaBelle V itself. I'm excited to be able to share these videos with you as we get closer to our grand opening here in Vero Beach.